Document360 is a standout choice among various cloud-based document management systems like Confluence, Helpjuice, Zendesk, Guru, Poligo, Wix, Stonely, Postman, and more. Document360 gives businesses a safe and smart way to handle their documents. It offers a variety of features, including document creating, managing, storing, and sharing. Whether you're running a small business or a large enterprise, Document360 is the perfect choice for managing your documents. It is easy to use and can be customized to meet the specific needs of each business. Document360 has freemium with lifetime access with limited features. Their pricing model, along with API documentation support for developers, gives them a strong market presence in the United States, the United Kingdom, the Netherlands, Israel, and Australia. But that's not all that makes Document360 a standout. In this video, we will dig deeper into this groundbreaking platform, so stay tuned. Document360 is a leading AI-powered knowledge base. Document360, #1 rated knowledge base platform, engineered for growing companies, enables you to instantly create a beautiful, online self-service knowledge base and private team knowledge base. Notably, their subscription plans come with a responsive customer support agent, which makes it convenient for users. Document360 has a free plan that allows businesses and individuals to explore its features at no cost and determine its suitability. What sets Document360 apart is its advanced solution infused with artificial intelligence capabilities. User-friendly and feature-rich, it provides a dedicated space for content creation, a tailored site for customers and teams, and an intelligent assistant. Its compatibility with API documentation and seamless integration with tools like Microsoft Office and Salesforce make document management efficient. Security is a key focus for Document360. They employ advanced encryption to safeguard user documents. Sharing documents is simplified through various channels, including email, links, and social media. Collaborative work within teams is streamlined, enabling simultaneous contributions from team members regardless of their location. An additional standout feature is its version control, effortlessly tracking changes made to documents for easy restoration to previous versions. The innovative documentation platform, Document360, is the brainchild of Saravana Kumar. He is also the founder and CEO of Kovai.co, the parent company of Document360. The inception of this product traces back to Kovai.co's internal challenges in crafting documentation for their enterprise software, BizTalk360. This struggle acted as a catalyst for the creation of Document360. The journey began with an exhaustive exploration of existing documentation tools in the market. After several months of research, the team at Kovai.co identified a significant gap in the self-service knowledge base domain. This realization was pivotal. It led to the conclusion that the market was in dire need of a robust documentation tool. In an extraordinary effort to turn this vision into reality, the entire company was rallied for a 14-day hackathon. This intensive and collaborative effort was aimed at developing a product that could centralize all documentation in one place, thereby simplifying its management and sharing. Despite facing numerous challenges during the development phase, the team's perseverance paid off, and they succeeded in creating Document360. Document360 officially started in June 2018, and it became known for regularly adding new features every 2 weeks, showing their dedication to getting better all the time. They made sure to listen to feedback from customers and users, which helped them make timely improvements. In November 2023, Document360 reached a new milestone with the launch of its latest version, Document360 This update introduced a suite of feature enhancements and upgrades, including the AI assistant Eddie, a new block editor, rich analytics, and a centralized customization hub, among others. Each of these additions was designed to further enrich the user experience and offer an even more powerful and versatile documentation solution. The administrative heart of the company is situated in the UK, orchestrating the overall strategic and operational activities. They also have a team in Coimbatore, India, where experts work on improving the software. This development center is a hub of innovation and technological advancement, where skilled developers and engineers work tirelessly to enhance and refine the Document360 platform. As for its market presence, Document360 has established a strong foothold in several key international markets. The United States, the United Kingdom, the Netherlands, Israel, and Australia represent its primary marketplaces. These places are where most of their customers are. But they're not stopping there. Document360 is constantly listening to feedback and suggestions, and improving its product so that it makes technical writers and documentation managers' lives easier. They want to make their software available to more businesses and organizations, no matter where they are. This shows that Document360 is always looking to grow and help more people with their documentation needs. Document360's future vision is ambitious, steady, and clearly defined. The overarching goal is to achieve $100 million in annual recurring revenue by 2030. This target is not just for Document360 alone, but is a collective aim for all products under the umbrella of Kovi.co. This includes other notable products like BizTalk 360, Serverless 360, and Churn 360. Attaining this goal would mark a significant milestone for Kovi.co, as it would become the first SaaS unicorn company originating from Coimbatore. This reflects a deep commitment to growth and innovation, underlining the company's aspiration to lead and redefine the SaaS industry. The journey to this milestone is not just about increasing revenue, it's also about expanding the reach and impact of their products. By enhancing its existing offerings and potentially introducing new, innovative solutions, Kovi.co aims to broaden its customer base and deepen its market penetration. This growth strategy is not confined to geographic expansion alone, but also includes diversifying into new industry sectors and adapting to the evolving needs of a global customer base. If you're looking for a secure, efficient, and affordable way to manage your documents, Document360 is a great option. Why compromise when you can have it all with Document360? This is not just a software solution, but a beacon of innovation and ambition. Document360 is set on a trajectory toward remarkable growth under the visionary leadership of Saravana Kumar. As we look toward the future, it's exciting to envision the potential of Document360 and its sister products at Kovi.co. With a blend of innovative technology, strategic market expansion, and a relentless pursuit of excellence, the journey ahead is filled with possibilities. Watch this space as Document360 continues to evolve, expand, and excel.